Everybody say bye to Grammy before our last challenge. Bye. Isabel, out of there. Come on, baby. Really. Smarter decisions, please. The plant is dead. It's not coming back, so come on. Stand up and say goodbye to Grammy, and we're going to have our final challenge.
Are you okay, or you want me to go somewhere with you?
No, I'm fine. You can head back and rest and relax. All right, are you ready for your final challenge?
No, don't move it up yet. Granny's gonna try a shot.
Oh, okay.
Not a very good basketball player.
Oh, you can have another shot.
Ah!
You can have another one. Until you get it.
I'm going to be here all day. And all night.
It's alright. You want me to show you how to get it in?
Ah!
You want me to show you how to get it in? Jump up.
Yeah.
Cue it in. What goes in?
You want to show Grammy how to get it in, Brian?
That's go really high.
Oh! Sorry.
A little less oomph, Grammy.
Yeah, you're right.
That's how.
Yay!
I knew you weren't going to be here all day.
Love you guys. Bye, Andrew.
Drive safe.
Okay.
Where we leaving?
Yeah, let us know when you get back.
Where are we leaving?
Yeah, Grammy's going by. She's going back to Charlottesville to rest.
You treat them.
Stay at it.
Okay, for the final challenge.
Okay, the final challenge. Your goal is to make 2 baskets at the highest one. Oh, you already did the highest one.
Oh.
Never mind. Your goal is to make 2 baskets at the lowest one.
That's easy.
1.
And now I'm going to stop.
1. Oh, that's a good one. You have to make 2 baskets at the lowest one on the bottom level.
I know, it's really hard. Yeah, we do it like this, Daddy. No.
No, standing at the bottom, you have to shoot it. Down the steps. Anywhere down there, you have to make it from 2 of them. Whoa, Brian!
How about 3 of them, actually?
3 of them. Whoa, that's 2 in a row! Whoa, that's 3 in a row!
No, that was not him.
But I know, but it's still 3 made in a row. Now, Isabel, can you make 2 in a row yourself? Oh! Oh, we're getting cold with the wind, guys.
And the wind is making us camp.
There's no waiting. You guys just shoot.
I almost got 2 in a row. I gotta get 2. We got 3 in a row. I need 2 more. We got 3 in a row.
Whoa!
That's not
Oh, it's fine.
Oh, did you see my basketball? My basketball went shoot, boom.
It went inside the house?
Yeah.
Whoa, Bri.
I flew. kidding. When you were not looking, I got 2, really. For real, I got 2 already.
Wow, I saw.
I got 2. I don't, it's that so.
Oh, that was really
One
close.
more. I only need 1 more.
Rye has 3 already too.
And I need 2 more.
Oh, that was almost in.
He could get this. Yeah, I
Good
got 30.
one.